Hi guys, how we all doing? In this video, we're going to be talking about going from zero, so a brand new accountancy firm, to £100,000 a year. What does that look like, and what do you need to do in terms of sales, marketing to actually get there? So the first thing you should always be doing, obviously when setting up business, your accountancy practice, is who is your ideal client. You should have sorted that out already in terms of your ideal customer avatar, exactly where you're positioning yourself in the market. Are you going after CIS subcontractors? If so, you know that it's a lower average fee, you need a lot more volume. Or after you going after property investors, manufacturers, or whatever it might be, you need to look at, make sure you fully understand your ideal customer avatar. What is it they're going to spend with you? Because that will determine how many new clients you need on average to actually meet this income profit goal effectively. So we've got some numbers here. So for a typical accountant, without a crazy personal brand, you should be charging, usually about £150 a month for basic compliance services. That's typical what we see with people who work at, and indeed within JSM, about £150 a month for the limited company. Might be a bit of payroll in there as well, but that's a very good, reasonable fee. Not cheap, not expensive, literally bang average. And then with that as well, you're probably going to have alignment fees. So quite often, if you don't know what an alignment fee is, do make sure you check out Go Proposal. That's basically where a company joins you partway through their financial year. You're going to be doing their year-end accounts at the end of the year. So if they join you partway through, they've got to basically pay a catch-up payment for you to do that work at the end of the year. So make sure that you are using alignment fees and you don't miss that out. And then very often we see as well where people join us, they have not done their previous year's accounts. So there's usually, okay, would you like us to do that set as well, plus get you on a monthly moving forward? And the answer to that is pretty much always yes. And looking for the numbers, usually about a third of our clients probably have, definitely, a lot more than that have an alignment fee, but probably about a third actually have the prior year accounts for us to do as well. So when we look at the numbers here, actually on average, a new client is worth about £700 or £800 day one when they join us for the alignment fee in the prior year accounts, and then also £150 a month moving forward. So immediately kind of cash collected month one when a client signs, on average, is at least £850. You need about 10 clients a month to get that £100,000 a year. 100,000 divided by 12, your accountants here, £8,333 a month is the target initially. You need to break that down. So we know that a new average client is worth £850. We need 10 of those per month to hit that target. And that's where you've got to kind of reverse that even further. A lot of people where you've got established businesses, you'll know all about this reverse engineering, which is, where do you want to get to? Break it down, break it down, break it down. What do we need to do? So we know that if we need 10 clients a month, we probably need about 40 sales meetings booked. Of that, maybe say 25 don't show. So we've actually got 30 attended meetings. And of that 30 of the business owners that you've had a conversation with, roughly anywhere between 30 or 50% might say yes. So play that on the low end. 30% of the 30, that's about 10 successful clients. So you know that in your business, you need to do the marketing to get those 40 meetings booked, whether that's LinkedIn outreach, whether that's social media content, whether that's paid ads, whether that's webinar funnels, whatever it is you've got set up in your business. You know that you need to have 40 meetings booked to get the 100,000. And it really is as simple as that. So now you know that, we've broken it down, you know that you need the 10 clients a month. That's the target of what you need to be selling, closing 10 clients a month based on those average numbers. Of course, if your fees are different, if you're charging half that, you obviously need twice as many. But for most accountants, that's probably where you're going to be charging. That £850 average client value, you need 10 of those. So how would you get those 10? Put that into your marketing plan. If you need help with that, drop us a message. More happy to run through specifics. Book a call using that link below if you've not got an established marketing system in place. But that really is all there is to it, guys. You need 10 clients a month to get £100,000 in your business. And the good thing is, servicing 10 clients a month is very, very easy. That's going to be a part-time business for most accountants. There's not going to be too much work involved. So that means you're free to focus on growing the business, more marketing, more systems, employing staff, so you can actually scale your business once you're on track of doing that. And just to give you an idea, you might think 40 meetings sounds impossible. It's absolutely not. I just checked my calendar before doing this, and we've got 25 booked in for next week alone. So when you do get your system set up right, you've got that marketing machine built into your business, it is very, very possible to do that. Like I said, if you need any help with this, drop us a DM if you follow us on Instagram. If not, just book one of those free business assessment calls. Be more than happy to run through some initial guidance on what you can do right away and explore ways of working together for us to help you get more results in your accounting business. Bye for now, guys.